One of the most significant and technologically advanced assets in the Russian aerospace forces is the A-50U Long-Range Airborne Early Warning and Control (AEW&C) aircraft. It is frequently referred to as the sharp eye of Russian aviation due to its critical role in the real-time provision of airborne surveillance, command, and control of air and ground forces. This aircraft is essential to the air defense system, as it coordinates the actions of combat units and provides early warning of aerial threats. The A-50U is a modernized variant of the original A-50, which was introduced into service in the late 1980s and publicly unveiled at the Max Air Show in 1995. The A-50U is built on the Il-76 military transport aircraft's established platform, which guarantees operational reliability, a long range, and a high payload capacity. The Il-76 is a platform that has been extensively evaluated and utilized in Russian aviation, rendering it an optimal location for an AEW&C aircraft. The large rotating radar antenna, which is contained in a prominent rotodome mounted on the top of the fuselage, is a unique characteristic of the A-50U. This dish is capable of detecting aerial targets at distances of up to 650 kilometers and provides 360-degree coverage of the airspace. The U upgraded version was modernized by the installation of new onboard electronic equipment, digital data processing systems, and contemporary operator workstations. The aircraft's efficacy, detection range, and resistance to electronic countermeasures were all significantly improved by these enhancements. The A-50U's primary objective is to ensure the continuous radar surveillance of airspace and the command and control of aviation and air defense units. The aircraft can transmit data in real time to command centers and other combat units while simultaneously tracking a large number of air and ground targets. This capability guarantees a swift response to threats by facilitating the effective coordination of fighter aircraft, air defense systems, and other forces. The A-50U is a critical component of national security, as it is essential for the management of large-scale military operations and the early warning systems for missile and aviation strikes. It is important to note that the A-50 series and its variants have been involved in international cooperation and export initiatives. The A-50I version for the Chinese Air Force was developed in collaboration with Israel during the early 2000s. Nonetheless, the project was ultimately completed independently by China without the use of Israeli radar systems for political and technical reasons. In the interim, the Indian Air Force developed a version of the Il-76 TD platform, which was equipped with PS-90A-76 engines and the EM-2075 Falcon radar system from the Israeli company Elta, and was designated AEW&CS Airborne Early Warning and Control System. The Indian Air Force effectively operates these aircraft, which considerably improve their airspace control capabilities. The A-50U has a unique symbolic and practical significance for the MAX International Aviation and Space Symposium. The A-50 was first publicly displayed at this air show in 1995, which was a significant milestone in the annals of Russian aviation. The A-50U has consistently participated in MAX static and flight demonstrations since that time, thereby capturing the attention of aviation enthusiasts, experts, and journalists worldwide, and exhibiting the accomplishments of the domestic aviation industry. Russia's technological proficiency in airborne radar surveillance and airspace control is emphasized by the aircraft's attendance at the exhibition. The A-50U aircraft are currently in service with the Russian Aerospace Forces, where they are responsible for the command of combat operations and the preservation of the nation's air borders. Further modernization of electronic apparatus, communication system enhancement, and control process automation are ongoing projects. Furthermore, there are ongoing initiatives to create new AEW&C platforms that are predicated on prospective transport aircraft and will eventually replace the aging A-50U models. The objective of these initiatives is to preserve Russia's operational readiness and technological superiority. The aircraft's crew consists of 5 pilots and 10 electronic systems operators, ensuring comprehensive management and data processing. The A-50U is capable of maintaining airborne status for a maximum of 9 hours without refueling, and it can remain airborne for a substantially longer period with aerial refueling. This enables it to conduct extended missions for airspace monitoring. The radar dome is approximately 11 meters in diameter and weighs more than 5 tons. The implementation of new seats, air conditioning, lighting, and modern information panels during modernization significantly improve the working conditions of the crew, thereby improving operational efficiency and comfort on board. The A-50U is an indispensable and distinctive instrument for safeguarding Russia's national security. Its contribution to the command of combat operations and airborne surveillance is indispensable. The A-50U is able to maintain its position at the forefront of aviation advancements through the integration of new technologies and continuous technical enhancements. Its appearances at the MAX Air Show consistently elicit significant interest and serve as a testament to the Russian aviation industry's capabilities. The A-50U is a testament to the strength of domestic military aviation and technological leadership due to its functionality and characteristics. Now, do you think A-50 AWACS did well in the Ukraine conflict? Let us know in the comments. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.